Every tarpless ripening room should be thoroughly cleaned once every 3 months. Cleaning takes an estimated 8 hours per room. Rooms should be empty and not scheduled for use during this time. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary equipment and materials for cleaning. This includes a narrow platform scissor lift capable of reaching the interior ceiling of the room, a handheld flashlight, a standard water hose with adjustable spray nozzle or an adjustable pressure washer, a wet-dry shop vac with soft bristle brush cleaning head, standard quart-size plastic bags and rubber bands, a Thermaltech approved coil cleaner with applicator, a mild household cleaning detergent such as Dawn, a large cleaning sponge, a short-handle soft bristle brush for cleaning corners, and an extended handle soft bristle brush for cleaning the walls, plus bulk cleaning towels and a standard cleaning bucket. Step 1. Secure electrical system and sensors for cleaning. Before starting, make sure maintenance personnel have turned off and locked out both the main and control power sources for the room to reduce risk of electrical shock. Next, prepare in-room electrical components and sensors for cleaning. First, cover all electrical outlets and junction boxes with plastic and secure using a rubber band. Then do the same thing for all sensors. This includes the 2 discharge air temperature sensors, the 2 return air temperature sensors, and the humidity sensor, which can be damaged or ruined by direct water spray. Step 2. Thoroughly clean evaporator cooling coils. Once the electrical system and sensors are secure, use a scissor lift to access the top of the room to begin cleaning. Make sure all necessary cleaning equipment is on the lift before ascending. First, gently vacuum the entire surface of the evaporator cooling coil with a shop vac using a soft bristle brush cleaning head attachment. Always clean in the same direction as the fins, using light pressure to avoid damage. Once the cooling coil surface has been thoroughly vacuumed, rinse from top to bottom using a standard pressure water hose or an adjustable pressure washer. When using a pressure washer, recommended water pressure is 600 psi or below, using a fan or V-shaped spray pattern at 130 degrees Fahrenheit or less. Never use hard plastic or metallic brushes or cleaning heads on the cooling coils. These will damage the fins. If dirt is caked between the fins and hard to remove, do not apply more pressure. Apply a Thermaltech approved coil cleaning agent or foam to remove the hard deposits. Step 3. Inspect and clean cooling coil drain pans. After the cooling coil surface has been cleaned and rinsed, inspect the cooling coil drain pan for sludge, including dirt, algae, and mold. On standard sidewall coils, open and inspect the drain pans via the inspection plate. On SX coils, inspect through the gap between the coil and pan. If sludge is present, flush the drain pan using a standard pressure water hose. Start from the far end of the pan and work towards the drain. If algae is present, treat with a Thermaltech approved algicide. Always remember to replace and seal inspection plates after cleaning. Only use cleaners and agents that are approved for use by Thermal Technologies. Step 4. Clean fan shrouds, plenum, and transition curtains directly below the evaporator. After the cooling coil surface and drain pan has been cleaned, Unzip or remove the transition curtain directly below the cooling coil to access the fans and upper plenum. Clean the fan shrouds and housing areas immediately below the coil using the short-handled soft bristle brush and mild household dish soap. Next, clean all accessible surfaces within the upper plenum areas, paying particular attention to corners, seams, and joints. Finally, use the large sponge to clean the front and back of the transition curtain. After cleaning, rinse with the hose or pressure washer. Make sure all surfaces are thoroughly cleaned to a level below the bottom on the transition curtain before closing or reinstalling the curtain. Step 5. Wash down all remaining room surfaces. Starting with the ceiling, wash and rinse all remaining room surfaces, working from the top of the room down. Pay special attention to washing the front and back of all pallet closure curtains. Make sure walls, corners, and other room surfaces behind the curtains are clean. Use the short-handled soft bristle brush to clean along edges, corners, and curbs. Use the extended handle soft bristle brush to clean walls, racking, and other flat surfaces. Use a large sponge to wipe down the front and back of curtains. Cleaning towels can be used to clean the rubber bulb gaskets. Thoroughly rinse all surfaces, especially behind curtains, as cleaning progresses. In double-wide rooms, thoroughly clean one side of the room first as described. Then clean the opposite side of the room, following the same order and process, working from the top of the room down. Step 6. Clean ripening room door inside and out. After the entire room has been cleaned and rinsed, power can now be restored. Close, wash, and rinse the interior side of the ripening room door, working from the top down. After washing and rinsing the interior side of the door, go outside the room, close the door, and wipe down the exterior using a damp towel or sponge with a light amount of detergent. Work from the top of the door down. Refresh often to keep towels or sponges clean so that no rinsing is required. Step 7. Dry, sanitize, and return room to service. After cleaning, squeegee excess water into drains or use a floor scrubber or wet vac to remove excess water. Once all excess water has been removed, leave the door open and allow the room to air dry. If mold is found to be present in the room, a Thermaltech approved sanitizing agent can be used to sanitize the room after cleaning. Once the room is dry, remove all protective plastic placed on outlets and sensors prior to cleaning. The room can now be returned to service. By following these simple care and maintenance best practices, your Thermaltech ripening rooms will continue to deliver the high-quality, uniformly ripened fruit your customers expect for years and years to come, day after day and load after load. For more information, visit our website at www.thermaltechnologies.com.